Cherry Reyes. But sometimes I can be a pasahero, a basurero, a sufferer. Sometimes I drive, sometimes I ride my vroom. My hat goes purr. Do I have a speech impediment? Restive, barrage, plunderer, fervor,
This is the local spoken word scene. These are Filipino artists. This is not Def Jam poetry. It's not Saul Williams. It's not what you see on TV. It's not what you see on YouTube. It's not what you see in the movies. This is our art scene. This is our spoken word art scene. And having said that, I'm very proud to announce the next spoken word artist.
Spoken word for me is poetry performed.
Gusto ko na lang tumalon sa malalim na balon. Umuwi sa sariling bayan kahit alam mo wala ka ng tahanan. Parang nandito ka, pero wala ka naman. Magkakaugat ka na gusto mo lagi mag-isa. Ang dami mong kaba, pero alam mo, susugod ka. Ipipikit mo pa ang iyong mga mata, pero kahit anong gawin mo, hindi ka makapag-yoga.
It's like a painting, because I'm a visual artist too, so it's more impressionistic.
Napapraning ka lang! Yes, napapraning ako!
Nakakapraning siya. Naisip mo na how you're gonna say it, how you're gonna perform it, what's the emotion, will it have an impact on the audience, like that. Yeah, because I also do theater, so I think on those things. That's how I write it.
Spoken word, para siyang yung moment na unang lumabas yung unang tayo mo.
Okay, game.
Yung release na yon tsaka yung gaan. Hindi lang siya isang, kumbaga, lahat ng senses na ano niya, na apektuhan niya.
Sabi ng aking utak,
Minsan ganyan talaga ako mag-isip.
For me, that's how I balance myself. I always need to write something, perform something.
Suman at ibang kakanin. Yung mga tao sa ilalim ng tulay na walang makain. Mali sistema o mali paninindigan. Ako lang ba nawawala?
Looking back, we have a long tradition of oral poetry. Kasi oratur talaga ang ating pinagmulan dahil wala pa naman ng papel, dahil nung una naman wala pang mga pansulat.
Written poetry, you're not thinking about performing it, but spoken word poetry, you can be very internal, but you also consider the audience.
Visually, mas maintindihan mo siya ang tulay. Parang for me, a painting kasi, hindi siya kompleto without a title eh. So for me, atula, hindi siya kompleto nang wala kang nakikita.
Ang dami palang tao! Okay na ako sa tingin-tingin, papula-pula, pansin-pansin. Dito na lang ako sa malayo, masatago, paruwari, kula ko. Ay, grabe, ang simple naman. Try lang yan, kaibigan. Natatakot kang mapagtawanan ka, hindi naman kailangan.
Spoken word and poetry and music, for me, walang line eh. Kasi, like for me rin, mas komportable yung tenga ko na naririnig siya in beats and measures. Mas, kumbaga yung groove lang ng words mo, mas madali siyang ma-express pag may music or kahit may beat lang eh.
Empty. Serving my time alone. In this solitary confinement. Alone. I alone. I face my own demons. She whispers in my head the thoughts of angst and hatred. She pierces my heart with thoughts of angst.
Kasi meron talaga tayong tradisyon, meron tayong prosody, meron tayong sinusunod na patakaran sa pagtutugma at sukat. Kaya, kung free verse nga, sa spoken word, di mo mapapansin. Sa free verse, inaaral kung dita niyan, yung line cutting. Hindi ka basta puputol ng linya sa alangang lugar. In fact, matututuhan mo yon halimbawa sa traditional or indigenous form of poetry kasi meron tayong tinatawag na pause o sesura. Noong unang panahon, yung matatanda, hindi lang basta nagtutugma at nagsusukat o nagra-rhyme and meter. Meron pa silang tigil. Kung saan tama puputulin mo yung pagpahinga ng iyong tinig.
Kwek-kwek, isaw, hula hoop na pinapasyal kasama ng puting baka, harinola, sari-sari store, choknat, bakya, cafeteria aroma, kalabaw ng Boy Scouts, papag, walang ganyan sa stage.
Kasi I don't have any backgrounds for poetry or any type of literature. So, gusto ko lang magsulat, tapos gusto ko lang mag-perform, and that's it.
Spoken word promotes poetry whether you like it or not because in this day and age nobody reads, no? In the Philippines, the highest circulation runs around 350 copies a day. I'm talking about tabloids, not broadsheets. That's how bad Philippines is as a reading public. Filipinos don't read, so in order for us to entice future readers, we have to do, as writers or as poets specifically, to do exert extra effort in winning back our audience.
Palakpakan yung sarili mo. Kasi talaga, kung wala kayo, ang artist kasi hindi mabubuhay ng walang kabounce.
Pag napanood yun, ay, mabasa nga to. No? In fact, sa mga slam poetry programs, no, si Alicia Keys minsan nag-guest, no, at nakakatulong siya sa pagpapromote halimbawa.
Yung una-una, yung pinaka-message tsaka pinaka-punto nung author nung tula na yon, mas maano niya yung message, mas matatapon niya kaysa sa babasahin lang kasi pwedeng ma-misinterpret yun ng tao eh.
If you can't share it, or if you won't share it, parang I was telling Nerissa earlier, it's a book that is not read is not a book.
May suporta rin from the artist community and also from the government. Someday, I think it will go to that. I mean, we have a radio station that has a spoken word show already, and that's Cookie Classon's show.
The 50 pesos you paid is going to go to a good cause, meeting artists like our featured artists, and supporting and furthering events like this so that artists have somewhere to showcase their talents and share and let everyone know that we have this kind of talent and ability.
Pero hindi mamamatay sa tingin ko ang tula kasi hanggat nagdadasal ka, tumutula ka. Hanggat kumakanta ka, tumutula ka. At kung gano'n ang mangyayari, hindi mamamatay ang tula magpakailanman.